Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in St. Augustine, Florida. Behind me is the drawbridge on A1A, I believe that is, to come over here. And over here is the really old fort, so it's definitely a place you want to visit if you come down here. And behind me is a bunch of old restaurants and the old town over here and whatnot. So this town is really old. It's supposed to be the oldest city in the US. So there are really a lot of old buildings that they've repurposed into bars and hotels and whatnot. It's a really cool place to come look at. And it almost looks like you're in Germany or something driving in here, some of these buildings. So I'm going to walk around to the fort and the downtown area just to give you an idea of what it looks like to see if you want to come visit. And I highly recommend visiting this place if you come down here. So there's even a Hilton right here in this old building. And all these old little buildings over here have like Irish bars and inns and martini bars and all kinds of stuff. And there's like a park square that I'm going to walk to in a little bit. So this is the Castillo de San Marcos National Monument. $15 per adult. Children under 16 are free. This is a look of an aerial view of the castle. If you want to come out here, 15 bucks to get in. Looks like it's a pretty good place to check out. So this moat to the entrance is no longer filled with water and alligators. It's just neatly trimmed grass, so it's not really scaring any intruders these days. So it's a pretty nice looking fort. I don't know what it looks like on the inside, but seems like it's worth it if you come out here to come check it out. I'm a little short on time, so I'm not going to check it out on this trip, maybe on another one. So this is pretty cool. This is all made of seashells. Wow. Okay, so let's walk back from the fort towards the central area downtown with the park and all of that, and just take in all of these old buildings.
So pretty now.
Martini bar. There's a Hilton. Wow. It says that this, during Hurricane Matthew in 2016, this was the high water mark right here at this level. That's crazy. So this place is nice to visit, but you wouldn't want to have a house right here on the waterfront because all kinds of crazy stuff happens during storms, hurricanes, whatever. So there's also a trolley that rides around giving you a tour. So that looks like a really good option if you're here just for a few hours or whatever to kind of get an idea of all the historical sites and things to see, along with somebody narrating for you. And there they go. This looks like a real nice place. Wow. So this is kind of the center of the town here. And really, when I was coming over this bridge over here, looking at these buildings and these towers and stuff, it really does look like you're someplace in Germany. That's the feeling that I got from it, at least. So this looks like a pretty good pastry place.
Well, they know where we are, right? Well, they
And there's a Greek restaurant here that I kind of want to try, even though I'm not really hungry. The Cathedral of St Augustine. Wow. This park looks really nice and nice and shady as well. I mean, if the thumbnail of my video was this right here, you would probably think that this was like somewhere in Europe or Germany or something like that. Definitely has that feel, although this downtown area has a little bit of a feel of kind of like Savannah, Georgia, to me at least, another old city. So looking at this, you think you're in America with an old car, but looking at this, you think you are in Spain. And you even got, I guess that's the Spanish flag. And all of this. Flagler College. So pretty interesting here in the middle of St. Augustine. And this place, Casa Monica, looks like old Moor style Spain. So really interesting little area down here in St. Augustine. You can even go in here and there's a nice cool courtyard. Wow. is 5 o'clock in the afternoon and it is hot outside here in St. Augustine, but this little area is like a little oasis in the desert. It's pretty cool in here. Feels like I'm in siesta in Spain right now because it's pretty quiet out here and it looks like a lot of these stores are closed. And you even got these really amazing colorful fish over here. Really nice area. Got your jewelry stores here, fine art gallery with some Salvador Dali, some other stuff. So typical stuff you see in a nice touristy location. And down these streets are some really old houses and these really narrow streets and everything, so it's a pretty good place to come and explore if you're on the tour, or maybe if you have a bike or something like that, or just to walk around a portion of the city. There's a bar. Steaks, Philly cheesesteaks. So guys, that's a look at the downtown of St. Augustine, Florida. It's a really cool place that you won't see in other places of Florida. This kind of feel to it, the old European, old Spanish feel to it. And it's on the water and it's a nice little town and a lot of things to do and see. So if you're in the area, definitely come by and definitely go check out St. Augustine Beach as well. So I hope you like this video and I'll see you in the next one, guys. I gotta go get something to eat now and hit the beach. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.